Your car's windshield is covered in a mysterious haze that won't go away no matter how many times you wipe it. Here's the secret professional detailers don't want you to know. That film on your windshield isn't just dirt, it's actually outgassing from your dashboard's plastic and vinyl breaking down in the heat. But I've got the perfect solution that costs less than $5. Mix 1 cup rubbing alcohol, 1 cup water, and 1 tablespoon white vinegar in a spray bottle. This DIY cleaner cuts through that stubborn film like magic. Start by laying towels over your dashboard to protect it. Grab a microfiber towel. Never paper towels, they'll leave streaks everywhere. Wipe down the glass with vertical strokes first to remove loose dust. Now spray your DIY solution on a fresh microfiber towel. Work in sections using up and down motions followed by side to side. For extra stubborn spots, dampen a magic eraser with ammonia-free glass cleaner and scrub gently. Finish with one final wipe using regular glass cleaner and dry thoroughly with a clean microfiber towel. The key is never letting any cleaner dry on the glass. Want to prevent that haze from coming back? Park in the shade whenever possible and crack your windows slightly to let those dashboard fumes escape. Your windshield will stay crystal clear for weeks. Just remember, never use cleaners with ammonia inside your car. The fumes can damage your interior and create even more problems than you started with.